Welcome to TechLeapart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create line using ruler on Microsoft Word. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Word. After that, open up any document. Now from here just click on Draw tab. Now I'll show you how to create line using ruler. At first you have to enable ruler. Just click on ruler option and that's it. You can see ruler has been enabled successfully. Now if you want to change your ruler position, you can see it's now 45 degree. Now to change your ruler position, you have to use your mouse cursor. You have to just scroll up or scroll down your mouse cursor. Then you can easily move your ruler. That's it. You have to just scroll up or scroll down your mouse cursor. Then you can easily change your ruler position like this. Now if you want to draw a line using ruler, just select any pencil, marker or highlighter. If I select this brush pen and put the cursor here, and that's it. You can see the line has been created successfully, and here it is. Also if you want to change your color, just select the pen or pencil and then choose any color and it's done. Also if I select the highlighter, you can also create a line using the highlighter. And that is how you can draw a line using ruler on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.